Access granted, girl. For granted. Don't you take my love, woman, boy. How we cook and how we clean and how we wash, and how we walk and how we run and how we drive around the world for you, why you by your dilemma and the woman and the drive. Tell me what you want, my dear. Tell me what you need. If I grant school fee, tuition, it is all on me. But I beg you, please, please don't hurt me, mommy. Why? Please don't break my heart. After that, the truth for you, stay true to you. Great deeds I make do for you. I may know these words ain't new to you. A long time, me, I beg you, please. Don't you take my love for granted. My love for granted, girl. For granted. Don't you take my love. And anything that you ever wanted, it's yours. Access granted, girl. For granted. Don't you take my love. I mean, I have no issues, no, can it have trust issues. But I will leave a changes me making a life and I made them just for you. So from your Sierra, you like me.
Hey guys, what's up? We need to chit chat for a few minutes. McQuarrie, what's up? My love for granted, girl. For granted. Don't you take my life.
And anything that you ever wanted, it's yours. Access granted, girl. For granted.
Don't you take my life.
Why, please don't hurt me, mommy. Break my heart. After all, we got you.
Just make way. Let's talk about something intelligent.
I behaving so disobedient. Evidently, Babylon can't represent we. No, no way. No, 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 no. I said, nature. Hey!
There's this song I'm looking for. We have an issue that we need to just discuss, guys. We have an issue. Hey Sally, hey Nomvula, what's up? Potiphar, what's up? Tarida, how are you? How are you? Nukuchaga chimwe namba chamsha ndo farira. Come on.
I victory me a fight for, man. Times get hard, things get tough, holding on, nah give up. Times get hard, things get tough, holding on.
Hey guys, come on over. We just need to talk about something.
All the faith, most high is so great, never go astray. Yeah, with the pressures of life.
Get to my head, get to my head.
Now make the negative vibes, strain my mess,
strain my mess.
Me a go and get Selassie, cause I'm at the head.
I'm at the head.
I got to burn the fire hot, I got to burn it
red. Red, run up.
Just give me life and make me hearted. Certain things me not gonna laugh and take for granted. Wicked people want to take disadvantage, but I correct me stand.
Oh, hey Melissa, how you doing? Hope you well. Right, Melissa, how was the wedding after? Are you not honeymoon? What are you doing here? You're supposed to be in the bed, huh? You are just coming from your wedding and then you just come on my life for the why, Melissa. Congratulations. I had a very beautiful time and thank you so much for making me your MC on your beautiful wedding. I wish you plenty years filled with bliss and I wish you so many children. Right, guys, there's an issue. This issue is very important. Please, it's very, very important. I need y'all people to help me and participate in this issue. This issue, there's someone who is very worried and there's a lot of war going on about this issue. Thank you. Thelma, what's up? Anzi Polo Bata number. My bundles, I'm going to pay. Let me just say, gaga. You guys, you know how it is. Data is now very expensive, and in my home where I am, I don't have Wi-Fi at the moment, so I'm using data. So I don't want my data to finish without me talking to you guys. You know, we're here to be there for each other. We family. We help each other. We advise each other. So I want y'all people to advise me on this issue. It's a very important issue, and I think a lot of people would agree. So the issue is like this, and the lady in question, she said, "Please don't mention my name, but please talk about this issue." And the issue, yatondi batao, because I think I can relate also. Okay, so ladies, listen up. You break up with your man, right? You break up with your husband, you divorce with your husband, and then you start taking care of your kids on your own. You take them to school, you take them to college, you take them to university. Then your daughter gets married. Is the father supposed to eat the bride price? Let's talk, guys. Whilst we listen to some music, did you hear my question? Did you hear my question? Muruguninzo, are you guys hearing me? Did you hear what I'm saying? You divorce with your husband, right? And then after the divorce, the man is not there to take care of your kids, not even a single cent, not even anything, not even school fees, not even uniforms, not even anything. Then later on, Mari, you know how God works. Your child gets married. Okay, first, let's talk about marriage. Is the father supposed to eat, to get any bride price? Tagamirama answers, this is a serious issue. There is a woman who's going through that at this point in time, and she came to me akati Mai Titi taurai nyaya iyi because ndakatambura nevana, and the child is getting married on Saturday. On Saturday, the daughter is getting married, and the lady is saying, "Andisi kutomboda kuti baba vauye vadye mari." Saka, hey, run it!
No people bound to the right socially, but one to the ones who don't have any. If you don't stand for something,
You're gonna fall for anything.
cause life is a very thing. Most time, even when we cry, when we sing, can't let the pressures of life get to my head, get to my head. Me now make them negative vibes, stray my mates, stray my mates. And I go on and still I see I, cause I'm on the head, I'm on the head. I got to burn the fire hot, I got to burn it red. Hey, Marcus Reliance, work hard with my strength and my and system could I go.
If you guys want to be added in this, just let me know. Just say add, and I'll add you, please. We are here to discuss a very important situation.
Hello, Mighty. Hello,
Hi, sweetie. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yes. Did you
Ndanzwa
hear?
nyaya iyi.
Wainzwa kadia.
Ndainzwa nyaya iyi. Regai tibatsirane. Ini zvangu tiri mai vatikurirei. Vasiyana vangani. Mukundinzwa?
Okay,
Hello, Mighty.
hear you, sweetie.
Network.
Network.
Ndati vakambogara vese here nemurume kana kuti akangopuhwa vana chete kuroorwa
No, but
kubvisirwa pfuma
you know
iye.
what? Murume nemukadzi vemakore.
Exactly. Which means akatoroorwa akabvisirwa vakaita vana vavo. Oh.
Yes. So hanzi baba vakabva varamba mukadzi nevana.
Okay. Network yacho. Let me drop.
And network. Oh my God.
Hey,
Why this network for the why?
sorry.
Hello, can you hear me? My dear?
Hello. Hey,
But I can hear you.
That tough like and Sunday we slew the giant. Can we a real overcomer? We can fight to get stronger.